All right, I'm actually recording it again because I deleted the video. So here we go again. This is my 2013 Honda CB 1100. So notice that sound at 10 seconds. I've never heard it before. Now going to the other side where there's no noise. So now I'm gonna turn it off. Take this guy out. There we go. Put it here. Number 4. Take it out and put it here. So let's see now. With number 4 out. No ticking. Here we go. So now I'm gonna try what you mentioned, which is take number 1 and put it in 4. So this is number 1, going all the way to number 4 now. Let's see if the issue is from here. Here we go. This is number 4 going in. Go.